roll the cart in the desired place you want. This is a step that is on the instructions list that we are doing ahead of time. Once it is in the spot you want, lock the machine by pushing the foot lever down this time. Step 7 says to remove the blue cover, but this machine did not have a blue cover. Step 8 says to carefully cut off all the plastic wrap around the machine. Be very careful using a blade or scissors to cut the plastic off, as you don't want to scratch the machine or the mattress or the computer. Step 9 and 10 are simply to open the laptop lid and plug in the USB cord into the side of the laptop. Step 11 says to throw away the crate and packing materials, which was done off camera. And Step 12 says to roll the cart in the desired location. Step 13 says to unwrap power cord from the cart and plug into the outlet. The power cord is wrapped inside the cart where the stool is stored. Step 14 says to turn on the laptop. The power button for this laptop is located here, but it could be different than other versions of the RQI machine. Once you turn it on, be patient, as the loading screen can take up to 30 seconds before it completely turns on. Once it's turned on, the computer will automatically connect to its built-in Wi-Fi and load into the login screen. Students can now log into the machine using their login information and complete their skills.